We are roughing it outside tonight. It is the middle of a winter storm. We decided to throw up the tent earlier, and Beckett has decided to join me tonight since he doesn't have school tomorrow, and I don't have to be into work till 9:30. How do you feel?
Good.
Good? Are you warm?
Mm-hmm.
What's the temperature outside?
23, feels like 12.
Whew! Can we stay warm and stay out here all night?
I think so.
You think so? We got some nice sleeping bags. I think we'll be all right. It feels pretty cozy. What do we have in our sleeping bags?
A warm bottle of water at the bottom.
Yeah, we put a hot water bottle down there. My feet are pretty toasty, actually.
Yeah, me too.
All right. We're signing off for now. We're going to listen to an audiobook and kind of fall asleep. We have our own little white noise with the snowflakes falling on the tent, so it should be good. All right. Deuce. All right. It is what time?
6:28.
A little after 6. We survived the tent. Did you stay warm?
Yeah,
How'd you sleep?
good. No,
Good.
not very good.
Not very good.
We only slept till like 5:30.
We were up around 5:30. It feels like temperature out there right now is 2 degrees.
Really?
You slept through a winter storm with 8 inches of snow, and it feels like temperature at 2 degrees.
It felt like 12 when we just went out there.
Yeah,
It got a
it
lot
got
colder.
it got windier. It's pretty chilly. But are you gonna ever winter camp again?
Yeah.
Oh, he's in. All right. We'll try it again. Maybe not with as much snow. But,
Right.
all right. Peace out.